This is the MSI RX 6750 XT Gaming X Trail. To remove the fan, just unscrew 15 screw, 5 here, 5 and 5, and detach the two connector of the fan, and also detach the two connector of the LED, the red and the black. To change the thermal pads and the thermal paste, just unscrew 10 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to remove the backplate of this particular GPU, you need to do the first option to remove the front shroud and the fans and the heatsink from the PCB to access the screw that is attached to the backplate, and the backplate is a metal. To watch the full tutorial video of this particular card, just check my YouTube channel, Take That Screw Up. Thank you for watching.